Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log in to your Flo app. So guys, if you already have an account and you have logged out of your account and you want to log back in, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open Flo, and once the app opens, you'll see this option. So just go ahead and mark it. Tap on next, tap on what Flo would like to call you, tap on continue, and if you're using it for yourself, tap on yes, or if you have a partner code, you can also do that. And now select the date birth, tap on next. If you're pregnant, tap on yes. If not, then tap on no. Now it says right here that to know why are you tracking your cycle. So guys, now it is your choice completely. So tell them why you want to track your cycle. I'm going to tap this one. You'll get many options like this. You just need to go ahead and choose them if you want to, or you can just go ahead and skip them like I do. Tap on next, and you can either let health access your data or not. After you've turned it on, just go ahead and tap on allow. Wait for it to personalize your experience. If you want to buy the subscription, you can buy it, or if not, then just go ahead, tap on the cross over here. Tap on I don't want it and tap on okay, let's go. And now you can finally see the login page. You can choose to log in with whatever that you want. I'm choosing Apple ID, and now it's setting up my account. So guys, there you go. That's how you log in to your Flo app. You can see that you've successfully logged in. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.